Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our daily using English sentences series. In today's video, we are going to learn useful English sentences for getting ready for work or college. These are all real life sentences that you can use every day to improve your spoken English naturally. If you want to speak English confidently in your daily routine, this video is perfect for you. So let's get started. I need to wake up early today because I have a busy schedule ahead. Let me get out of bed quickly before I start feeling lazy again. I should get ready on time so I don't end up rushing later. I'll take a quick shower so I can save some time. Let me brush my teeth and freshen up before getting dressed. I need to choose my outfit carefully for today's work or college. I'm not sure what to wear today, everything looks the same. This outfit looks comfortable and perfect for the day. I'll quickly iron my clothes to make sure they look neat. I really don't want to be late today, so I need to move faster. Let me pack my bag with all the things I might need today. I should double check if I have packed everything properly. I don't want to forget anything important like my ID or notebook. Let me check my bag once again just to be safe. I need to grab my phone, wallet and keys before leaving. I should have something for breakfast before I step out. I'll just eat something quick since I don't have much time. I wish I had more time to relax before heading out. I need to hurry up because I'm already running behind schedule. I think I'm almost ready to leave now. Let me wear my shoes and get ready to step out. I'll leave in a few minutes once everything is set. I should book a cab now to avoid any delay. Let me quickly check the traffic before I leave. I hope the roads are clear so I can reach on time. I think I might be little late if I don't leave now. Let me move faster and not waste any more time. Everything seems to be ready for the day ahead. I feel prepared to start my day now. Alright, it's time to head out and get going. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.